What equipment is involved in layer 3? Well, there are really three that we're going to talk about. The main one is the router. And the router simply looks like this. It doesn't look like there's much to it. You got a place to plug this in and a switch to turn it on. But when you turn it around on the other side, you have some ports here. And these ports are the ports of the router that go from one network to another. So every port on the router, well, this is actually a console port here. These ports over here, each port on a router connects to a different network. Computers also have some layer 3 software in them, and this is important for telling the computer with a certain IP address, where am I going to send it? What router am I going to send it to, or what interface am I going to send it to? There are layer 3 switches. Now, we said earlier that a switch is a layer 2 device, but there are layer 3 switches. We usually designate them a little bit differently from the way we do a normal switch. We have different symbols for layer 3 switches. These have some routing capability in them. Now, they cannot function like a full router, and there is a reason that we need some routing capability built into a switch for something we call VLANs that we will not get into at this point. But be aware that there are such things as layer 3 switches as well.